Hey guys, this is our first video on this channel, Savannah and Jordan.
LOL.
Today we're going to be doing 3 facts about us, and then you can kind of tell we're making slime afterwards. Just so we have a little fun in this video besides making like a minute clip.
Yeah.
So, unlike some people, but yeah.
So the things that we're going to be using, Savannah,
well, actually, we'll say after, but
yeah,
let's just do our thing first.
So we're going to do 3 facts about each other.
Yeah, and I might not be wearing my glasses all the time.
Yeah, because she wears contacts some of the time. She wears glasses
and
other
sometimes I wear nothing, and I'm blind.
So fact number 1 about me. My name is Jordan.
I'm Savannah.
I like to be comfortable.
I like wearing crop tops. Not being comfortable.
And last but not least, I always have either a scrunchie on my wrist or a headband or something.
And I like to be fancy, but with my hair, I'm comfortable, not really my body. I either keep it down or I put it up in a messy bun.
Okay, so I'm going to be walking you
Actually,
guys.
I think we should do 4 because we
Okay.
say our ages. So I'm 9 from September 17th.
My birthday is August 14th. I'm 9.5.
So yeah, okay, now fine.
Okay, so Savannah's gonna get a cup or a measuring cup and a cup.
Where are you measuring cup?
By my grandma, right there. So we're at my house, not Savannah's. I'm probably, guys, I'm not gonna be wearing a cup or 2 teaspoons. Sorry. Perfect. So 2 teaspoons of this.
Okay, we're not activating it.
I know, but just to get it ready so all the activator dissolves.
Oh, and we need water, right?
Yes, warm. It has to be warm.
Where are your cups?
Cups are in the drawer where that thing, other one next to it. Yeah.
Hot water?
Yeah.
Where's your sink? You start putting glue in our bowl.
So I'm gonna do the glue. We're gonna make just clear slime.
You don't really, do you have colors?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, we can use sprinkles, but
The sprinkle makes me slime. Where's your hot water?
it takes a few minutes. We're not gonna make big
My
batches.
hand is dying.
Ooh,
Oh, it's warmer now.
it has to be hot though.
I know.
You got hot?
Soaked now. Look at you. Okay, I'll get this ready as I take off my scrunchies.
Yeah, we're gonna take off our scrunchies so we don't get slime on them.
And I don't know why, but I was wearing my glasses and my contacts.
You're dumb.
I just noticed that.
I have glue on my hands. So now add 2
I got it.
teaspoons. So now we're just gonna wait on Savannah. I'm sitting on a stool because I'm.
You can grab the sprinkle if you want to try.
I don't think we need to. I don't have any coloring.
Go look.
I know I don't. We can make butter slime.
Oh, yes.
But I don't have that much clay left.
We just have to do a little bit.
Wait, I don't know where. That's it. That's enough. It's already in there.
We're only going to do one more. Because
Savannah, if you find it, it's a little container.
but you find that and I start.
She's going to start mixing up the activator.
I have to use my bag spoon. Where did you keep it?
Guys, we don't have the clay, so we're not going to be able to use this.
So I'll be activator girl. She was glue girl. I will hand out the activator.
I'm going to add a little bit of water to mine.
Oh, okay. Do you want me to get you a cup of water?
Yeah, please. Oh, she's
Just watch, I'm right behind you, Savannah. Just
Wait.
draining this.
Why do you drain meat?
Drain the fat out.
So you're saying that the meat is fat.
Meat has fat, yes it does.
What are you even cooking?
Huh?
Oh, she's making meat sauce. My grandma's making meat sauce. Is that...
A little bit of water.
No, I got
No,
this.
it's passing it to you.
Oh, I thought you were going to dump it in.
Yeah, I will. I would so dump it in.
Don't add too much. That's how much is that? Actually, when Savannah's usually the extreme one, I'm just like the. So I pretty much switch lives with Savannah.
What do you mean?
Like you're always like this, dun, and just dumping it. And I'm
No,
just
I
like,
had a little drop.
why?
I don't think I even got any in it.
You didn't. Oh, I'm gonna need some glue if this doesn't activate.
Hey.
Time to activate. You can even see Savannah. She's like, I'm probably gonna edit her out.
Well, use my mouse.
Gonna edit her out? Gee, hi friend. I'm gonna edit you out.
We're just gonna edit that clip out.
Yeah.
Do you know how to even edit?
Yes.
Oh, Savannah's looks like boogers.
What do I have an idea. We can grab a spoon for that.
Yes, go get one.
Where are the spoons?
Over there. Remember where you got the measuring cups? Other one. Right next to it. Yeah. Give her direction. Just use my mini spoon.
Oh my god, I always forget that step's there. Jeez. I have a problem.
You really do.
I know I do. Yeah, and it's a mental problem. I need more activator.
I'm like, what? Dude.
That's what you did to me.
I hate you.
Depending on...
How big your slime is.
No, that's not what I was going to say. Depending...
You're like in my face.
Depending on the next... depending when we end the video, how long it is, we will make a part 2, or not a part 2, we'll make another video today. And not all the videos will have...
Dude, you're so close to my face.
Well, you're not...
You're lucky your slime is activated.
Yeah, I am. Imagine it was just glue falling.
I would have killed you.
I was
Just
running. My house is up the road, so...
Yeah,
This
but
is,
I have
the
a
water
hoverboard.
deactivated mine.
Water. I'm just gonna go on with my hands.
Well, that smells good already, right?
No,
Say yes.
no.
Come on, creepy.
You call me creepy?
I need a lot of this.
Not too much. Unless you're Savannah. You acting like. Oh my god. Mine looks so good compared to yours. Cause I actually went in with my hands and I'm
Oh god,
massaging.
I have to take off my ring.
Well, you should have done that beforehand.
I know, and there's glue on this finger. And my good ring.
Savannah got slime all over her good ring.
Oh no.
She'll get it all.
Be careful.
Okay. Don't think I'm ready to go in with my hands, but I'm doing it. Oh, I don't like slime.
Then why'd you decide to make it, huh?
Well, you wanted to, so.
You didn't have to. You could have done something else. You could have made paper squishies.
We should do that in the next video.
No! Don't fall out.
Don't curse at our video!
I'm sorry.
Didn't.
Didn't want to lose my hummus.
How much is good? I want it mine. For hummus.
We're gonna
like
edit
hummus?
that part out.
You do like
I
I
hummus.
hate
love hummus.
I hate hummus. I hate fruits and vegetables. That's fact 5. We're gonna say facts a lot in this video.
Fact 5 for me is I love veggies. I love salads and all that juicy stuff.
I hate fruits and vegetables.
I love them. You are opposites. She likes cozy and I do not. She doesn't like veggies. I do.
So
She
guys,
likes slimes. I do not.
then why'd you make it?
Because you told me.
Well, I said, why don't we make slime? You could have said no.
You're getting on my phone. By the way, we're recording on my phone.
Yeah.
Why would you do that, Jordan?
What?
I was gonna deactivate your slime.
I need it because look how hard this is.
Wait, I was thinking.
No, you
My
got-
slime is
Oh,
hard.
I just lost my video. Ding.
Ding is right.
And by the way, we do not live together, so I might be recording without her, but I'll try not to. And we might record on the bus sometimes.
Yeah. Like our daily vlogs.
Like, we should do a live on the way to the school because we are in charge of yelling at kids.
Yeah, but
We can do
then,
that.
if the principal sees, uh-oh.
I really don't care about people.
What?
Oh, I swear, if he's watching this, I'm sorry. That was her. She said she doesn't like you. I thought my thing right here was my slime. I was like, oh.
I usually do that to her. I know. This is my brand new headband.
I bought it for you.
No, you didn't. My
Guys,
grandma-
don't.
No, my grandma bought this, and I bought her a bracelet.
No, you didn't.
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I bought you that glow-in-the-dark bracelet.
No, your grandma did.
Yeah, but she uses some of my money, so
I don't care about your money.
But do I care?
I care about my money.
You took your sister's money.
No, I do not.
Okay. Well, sorry, Coral, if you're watching that.
My sister Cora's not going to YouTube.
She doesn't. She's
Then, some water.
I'm just gonna wring it out.
Oh, wait.
There
Why
you
are
go.
you such an idiot?
Water deactivates your slime.
And I need it. Activator now. Urgent. Jordan, seriously.
No.
Jordan, seriously. I will delete my YouTube channel.
There you go.
That was her uncle. Yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hands. We have a problem.
No, just give me your hands. This is all I need to do, Savannah. All I need to do.
This is why I can't play with slime.
What are you trying to do?
Oh wait, what? Sorry, that slime's hard.
I know. Can't you see? That's why I'm using water.
Wait, now I have slime to play with.
She just flung slime on me.
I'm gonna wash my hands. Wait, I'm gonna have to peel some off.
Yeah, so you're not wasting slime. I like slime. Savannah hates slime,
Yeah.
which is very rude.
It's just not my thing. I used to love it.
Should
It
we
used
make
to
it
be my number one, but then TikTok came in. Oh, hell yeah. Look at
TikTok used to be Musically.
this. We all know that, Jordan.
But Musically, I used to love. But then people started saying, "What are you doing, Jordan? Why are you all dressed up? Are you going on a date or something?" I said, "No, get out of here." I don't like comments that much.
Huh?
I just like people that comment on negative things, like something really positive, like "You look great" or something.
You look ugly, Jordan.
I have a bowl full of water.
You know you won't, because then I won't be able to come over here, then I'll delete my YouTube channel.
Oh, you have low battery.
Okay, we have to end the video then.
She has 20%.
That means I have 10.
Look at that. So there's gonna be a part 2, but we're gonna be in my room. Well, that's where we're gonna make the paper squishies.
Do you have like towels?
Right there, that blue one. Whoopsies. Yeah, guys. So this is just gonna be a 13-minute video.
Bye.
Bye.